Meet AIS's latest innovation in O-ring installation, the Variable Robotic Module, or VRM. Designed to work seamlessly with both SCARA and 6-axis robots, the VRM adapts to your robot's range of motion, letting you install O-rings at virtually any point on a component. Paired with our ASP-1 O-ring installation machine, the VRM opens up your assembly line to unprecedented flexibility and precision, all while staying true to AIS's proven radial stretch method. This approach ensures reliable, consistent O-ring placement while protecting seal integrity, reducing errors, and streamlining your workflow. By combining the VRM with the ASP-1, you minimize manual handling and maximize productivity, even on the most complex parts. Ready to take your automation to the next level? Contact AIS today and discover how the VRM can revolutionize O-ring installation in your assembly process.